everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Pauline Newman. I hope you all are doing well. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you will not miss any of my uploads. I'd like to share with you, sorry, things are falling apart. I'd like to share with you my Allure Beauty Box for the month of April. Again, I'm so late with everything, but still better late than never. So if you'd like to subscribe to Allure Beauty Box, you can go to allure.com/thebeautybox. So let's see what this month has. Comes with your booklet, exclusive promo codes inside Allure Beauty Box, and it just tells you all the items that are in here. The first thing that I see is the original makeup eraser. This is a sample size. It says #1 reusable makeup removal system in the world. The makeup eraser will erase all your makeup with just water. Erases mascara, eyeliner, blush, foundation, and more. Apparently, this is the first time I'm speaking. Including waterproof and smear-proof makeup, reusable, machine washable, will last 3 to 5 years. Wow. It says wet portion of makeup eraser, drenched wet. Use warm water. Gently erase your makeup in a circular motion. Flip eraser on long nap side to exfoliate. Okay. Let's see where you can pick this up. It retails for $20 and you can pick it up at makeuperaser.com, and you can enter the code JUSTWATER, one word, to receive 25% off your order, and it's valid from April 1st through June 1st of this year. Wow. There's some magic in that. And then here is a conditioner for healthy, lustrous hair, rainforest grown from Rahua, R-A-H-U-A-A. And I may mispronounce that, so let me know down below what's the correct pronunciation of that. So this is the conditioner. It retails for $36, not this, the full size. Retails for $36 on rahua.com, R-A-H-U-A.com. Enter code Allure for free shipping on your order. Again, valid from April 1st through June 1st. And we have its counterpart, which is the shampoo. And that retails for $34. Again, you can purchase that on their website, rahua.com, and enter Allure again for free shipping on your order. Then I see Korres Pomegranate Balancing Cream Gel Moisturizer for oily to combination skin. I love Korres. This is 20 ml. By the way, these are 22 ml each. It's 20 ml. I love Korres products. And this says, apply to the face and neck, avoiding the eye areas naturally. And so that retails for $34. And you can pick that up at Korres USA, Korres USA.com. Enter code Allure20 for 20% off your next order. Okay. And here is Stella Brilliant Primer. 0.24 ounce. And that, I'm sure you can pick that up at Sephora. I could be wrong. Here it is, Sephora.com. And it retails for $42. At Sephora, there's no code for that one. And lastly, there is Nude Sticks Gel Color Lip and Cheek Balm. And the color's called J Mama. Wow, it looks very moisturizing. It's like a dusty, it's like a tint, but in the color looks like a dusty mauve or rose. Wow. And that is it for my Allure Beauty Box for the month of April. Let me know down below if you do subscribe to Allure Beauty Box. And if you do, what did you receive this month in your box? I thank you so much for joining me. I hope you all have a wonderful day. God bless all of you. Be kind to yourself. Be kind to others. Simply pay it forward. Until next time. Bye-bye.